An introduction to unexpected acts of kindness can be a heartwarming experience that restores faith in humanity. From strangers offering help to simple gestures of generosity, these spontaneous acts can brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of positivity. Small gestures such as a smile or a sincere compliment can have a tremendous impact on others, brightening their day and boosting their confidence. Sharing personal anecdotes of unexpected acts of kindness can inspire others to be more compassionate and empathetic in their interactions with others. These stories not only highlight the goodness in people, but also remind us of the power of small gestures in making a big difference. Experiencing unexpected kindness can have a profound psychological impact, fostering feelings of gratitude, positivity, and connection with others. It can lead to a renewed sense of hope and faith in humanity, and can significantly improve mental well-being. Small gestures of kindness and positivity can create a ripple effect, impacting the lives of others in profound ways. A smile, a kind word, or a simple act of help can inspire others to do the same, creating a chain reaction of goodwill and benevolence. Practicing acts of kindness has numerous benefits, such as improving mental health, boosting happiness, and creating a sense of connection with others. A touching tale of how a simple smile brightens someone's day. Encourage viewers to embrace and spread unexpected acts of kindness by surprising someone with a small gesture of love or appreciation, such as a handwritten note or a thoughtful gift.